Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, as you might have recognized from the last video, I do a little bit of code since I'm a computer science student, and I don't know, I just feel like putting some of these little like assignments I used to do back in the advanced C++ concepts class that I took like over a year ago. Just to help out some of you that are, just beginning to learn some C++ concepts. And alright, let's get started. So this program here, it's just a little calculator that if you can choose to either add, subtract, divide, multiply, or perform modulus on a number. And then it asks you what two numbers you would like to use to perform the operation on. So first off, I did include IOStream so that we could use C in, C out using namespace std, so we don't have to use the std thing. And then we have the functions to actually perform the operations. So add, subtract, divide, multiply, modulus. Modulus, I didn't use float on modulus because when you perform modulus, it should return the remainder. When you perform modulus on a float, I believe you get like the decimal or something. I don't know, whatever. Alright, so integer main. So in the main function, I call the menu, which is right here, and then the menu, based on what choice you selected in the switch statement, that it calls the function that you want to perform the operation on. So if you chose, all right, let's first of all let's start here at the menu. All right, so here I declared 5 variables, 1, 2, 3 ints and 2 floats. So int choice, that is for the switch statement, which we will use that variable to determine what the user wants, what operation the user wants to perform. Then we have the int mod num1, mod num2. These are for the modulus calculation, and these are for the other operations that we want to perform, the add, subtract, multiply, divide. So over here, I did a do while loop because we want the menu to show up at least one time. Because yeah, we want it to show up at least one time, or else, I mean, what's the point of this program, right? All right. So the menu, the prompt says this right here. Menu, select 1 through 5, enter 6 to quit the program. So the user enters one of these five here, and if he enters 6, the program terminates. So, but here are the other cases. Case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is, alright, so if you select 1, it'll then ask you, the user, enter 2 numbers you would like to add. So then you enter num1 and then num2, separated by either a space or enter key. Doesn't matter. And then after that, it calls the add function, which then jumps over here to add, also bringing the arguments with it, num1, num2, which are the parameters here, float x, float y, respectively. Whatever is in the first section, num1 is going to be x, and num2 is going to be y. So then then the function runs. All right, it'll display an equal sign and then calculate x plus y, and basically the program ends after that if you chose addition. No, my mistake. It does not end, because here it says, while choice is not 6, do this whole thing from here to here. So that was stupid. All right, so yeah, so what would happen after this function ends? It would jump back to here, to the beginning of the do while, displaying this menu again unless you enter 6, or as I put the default here, invalid entry, which would also terminate the program. So what now? Let me think. Alright, so wait, let's run this let's give it a go. It's a really basic program, but for anyone beginning out there, this is a good assignment to do. Calculator. Alright, so here's the menu that shows up. Menu select 1 through 5. Let's just quit. So let's try addition. Enter 1. So it says enter 2 numbers you would like to add. Let's do, I don't know, 2, 2. And then you get 4. And then as you can see, the menu shows up again because we did not select 6. Alright, let's try some modulus. Modulus 5. Enter 2 numbers you would like to perform modulus on. Alright, let's try 4 and 7. Oh, wait, no. 7 and 4. 3. 7 divided by 4. Oh yeah, remainder 3. So that is why you get 3 there. And let's see what else here. Oh yes, alright, yeah. So yeah, basically that's it. If you enter 6, program terminates. And if you enter something not 1 through 6, you get invalid entry. Oh, alright, so if you enter something not 1 through 6, it goes back to the beginning of the do while loop. My bad. So yeah, 1 through 5 and numbers. Alright, 1 through 5, anything that's not 6 will make the program loop. If you enter 6, program quits. There you go. Basic calculator C++ program. Yeah, I know, I gotta get better at my explaining, but this is basically the program right here. Very short program. And there you go. Have a good one.